Before we begin, it is important to know that there are several ways to connect a printer. In this guide, we will focus on connecting a printer via Bluetooth or USB. First, we will demonstrate how to connect a Bluetooth printer to a Windows 10 system. Go to Setting. Click on Devices. In Bluetooth and other devices, click on plus sign to add a new device. Click on printer name and give password 0000 to connect. Click on More Bluetooth options and check outgoing port of this printer. Note this port as it will be used later. Now, we will see how Bluetooth printer is connected in a Windows 11 system. Go to Setting. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Click on Add Devices. Click on Add Device in front of printer name and when asked give password 0000. Go back to Bluetooth and Devices and click on View More Devices. Click on More Bluetooth settings and check outgoing port of this printer. Note down this port as it will be used later. Now download drivers and install the printer. Go to our website www.posbox.in. Click on Download and then download printer drivers for Windows. Printer driver file will be saved in your download folder. Execute this file. Click on More Info and run anyway. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Click on Install and then click on Finish. In Model, select PosBox label. In COM, select the outgoing COM port of the Bluetooth printer. If you want to connect with USB cable, then connect the printer and select USB port. Make sure you select correct USB printer. However, here we are connecting with Bluetooth, so we will select the COM port and click on Install. Installation is now finished. You can go to Bluetooth and Devices and then Printers and Scanners to check that PosBox label printer has been installed. In Printing Preference, you can select size of your label. Like for 2" by 1" label, select 50 mm into 25 mm. For 3 by 2", select 72 mm into 50 mm. For 3 by 5", select 75 mm into 125 mm. You can also add paper size of your choice. In Print Option setting, you can change the speed of the printer. Please make sure it is not more than the prescribed speed of the printer. We would recommend to use default printer speed for error-free printing. You can use printer density to adjust the darkness of the print.